Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, today, from Standard 7 English Medium, Unit 9. In this unit, there is a poem named Garden Snake. It's a small poem and written by Muriel Elson. So, what happened in this poem? I am going to tell you the story in English and Hindi also. Now, see, the poet ran away in fear. The poet ran away in fear. When he saw what? He saw a snake in the garden. When he saw a snake where? In a garden, and ran away. His mother told him. Who? The author's mother, poet's mother, told him not to fear. His mother said, don't fear, means not to fear. She said that kind of snakes was good. Kind of snake was good. It ate up insects for food. What? Insects for food. The poet has now decided not to fear the garden snake anymore. What? Not to fear garden snake anymore. Next time, he sees a snake in the grass. Where? In the grass. He will stand aside. And watch him pass. He will be telling himself, the poet will be telling himself, what? It's just a harmless garden snake. It's just a harmless garden snake. So, this is the explanation of the poem. तो क्या होता है पोएम के अंदर, वो मैं आपको हिंदी में बताता हूँ कि जब कवि ने बगीचे में सांप देखा तो वह डरकर भाग गया. क्या किया? डरकर भाग गया. क्या देखा? सांप. कहाँ पर देखा? बगीचे में. तो उसकी माँ ने उससे यानी कि पोएट को न डरने के लिए कहा. उसकी माँ है, उसने कहा उनको, क्या कहा? पोएट को कि डरे नहीं. उसने बताया कि, उसकी माँ ने बताया कि उस तरह का सांप अच्छा होता है. क्या होता है? अच्छा होता है. यह क्या खाता है? यह कीड़ों का भोजन करता है. इंसेक्ट फॉर हिज फूड. कीड़ों का भोजन करता है. अब कवि ने निश्चय कर लिया. क्या निश्चय कर लिया? कि वह बगीचे के सांप से कभी नहीं डरेगा. वो कवि ने निश्चय कर लिया. अगली बार जब वह घास में सांप को देखेगा, वह एक तरफ खड़ा रहेगा और खड़े होकर इसे गुजरते देखता रहेगा. और वह अपने आप से कहेगा. क्या कहेगा? अपने आप से कहेगा, यह तो बगीचे का मासूम सांप है. यह कवि कहेगा. So this is the explanation, means telling the story in English and Hindi. Now I am going to tell you, means explain this poem through the stanza wise. Okay? So क्या होता है फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड स्टांजा. फर्स्ट स्टांजा, I read the stanza. I saw a snake and ran away. Some snakes are dangerous, they say. But mother says that kind is good and eats up insects for food. So what the first stanza tells us? The poet was awestruck and terribly scared. Awestruck and terribly scared. When he saw a snake in the garden. Its sight made him run and escape. People believe that snakes are dangerous. Snakes are dangerous. But his mother says, what his mother said him? That the garden snakes were good, as they ate up insects. As they ate up insects. तो फर्स्ट स्टांजा में कवि क्या कहता है कि कवि कहता है कि मैं एक सांप देखकर भाग गया. मैं एक सांप देखकर भाग गया. इस फर्स्ट स्टांजा में लोग कहते हैं कि कुछ सांप खतरनाक होते हैं, ऐसा लोग कहते हैं. पर माँ क्या कहती है? माँ कहती है कि इस प्रकार के सांप अच्छा होता है और अपने भोजन स्वरूप सिर्फ कीड़े खाता है. क्या खाता है? कीड़े. नाउ द सेकेंड स्टांजा. So when he wiggles in the grass, I'll stand aside and watch him pass, and tell myself there is no mistake, it's just a harmless garden snake. So the poet says in the second stanza that when the garden snake moves in the grass, where moves in the grass, the poet stands boldly to watch it pass by. But the poet has to tell himself that the garden snakes are harmless, as he is still afraid of snakes. तो कवि क्या कहते हैं सेकेंड स्टांजा के अंदर? कहते हैं कि जब वह घास में लहरा कर चलेगा, मैं एक तरफ खड़ा होकर उसे जाने दूंगा और स्वयं को बताऊंगा. क्या बताऊंगा? मुझे पक्का विश्वास है कि ये बगीचे वाला एक मासूम सांप है. ऐसा कवि कहते हैं. So in this poem there are some words. Which words here given? The dangerous. Dangerous means cause for alarm. Cause for alarm. Then the word here given, kind. Kind means type. Then the word given here, it's up. It's up means consumes. Consumes. Then the word given, insects. Insects, I think you know this word meaning. Worms. Now, in the second stanza, the word is wiggles. Wiggles means wrinkles. Then the word aside means on one side. Aside means on one side. Then the word given, there is no mistake, means I am sure. I am sure. Then the word given, harmless. Harmless means innocent. Harmless means innocent. So students, I hope you understand about this poem of Unit 9, Garden Snake. And this word meaning you also write in your notebook. Thank you.